Thinking about canceling your GEICO auto insurance but not sure how to go about it? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your policy in 2025 the easy way with no confusion or hidden fees. Before you make the call, it's smart to pause for a second and figure out why you're canceling. Maybe you've sold your car, moved to another state, or simply found a cheaper quote from another company. In some cases, GEICO might even be able to adjust your coverage so you save money without completely losing your benefits. For example, if your car is stored for the winter, GEICO can switch you to reduced rate storage coverage that still protects your vehicle. Or if you have relocated, remember that GEICO operates nationwide, so updating your address might be all you need. But if you're set on canceling, here's what to do. GEICO keeps things simple. No online form, no hidden fees, and in most states, no cancellation penalty. All you have to do is call 1-800-84-11587. Once connected, say, "Cancel my auto policy" to the automated system or wait to speak with a live agent. Make sure your policy number and personal details are ready so the agent can verify your account quickly. If you live in North Carolina, note that there might be a short rate adjustment, basically a small deduction from your refund, which is standard for that state. While you're on the call, it doesn't hurt to ask about discounts or multi-policy options. Many customers find they can stay with GEICO and still save money by bundling home, renters, or motorcycle coverage. Once the cancellation is processed, you'll get a confirmation email. If you've already paid ahead, GEICO usually issues a refund for any unused portion of your premium. And that's all there is to it. A quick, no-stress way to cancel GEICO auto insurance in 2025. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more short guides that make managing your insurance simple. Thanks for watching, and take care on the road.